It's windy. I only have... How many seconds can I post? I don't know. I don't know how many minutes I could do, but... Yeah.
How do you like it?
So we're getting some supplies. My aunt decided to come up with us because she lives on City Island and it's flooding. So, yeah, we're just gonna chill. Do whatever now. So we're gonna go in and see how crazy it is in there. Which I mean, the parking lot's empty. So there's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 cars, 5 cars, including us. Which could be just the workers too. So, I mean, yeah, let's go in. So, go check this shit out. I'm sure all the water and all the bread are gone. Maybe a couple of things are probably gone by now. Oh, they have coupon thing. I didn't know they had a coupon thing. That's really cool. It counts your coupons. Do we have to knock?
Oh, they might have opened the other side.
Oh, do we have to walk? I don't like walking. I like sitting on my computer and being a damn moron. This side?
Sure they're not closed?
Just for this, or? Oh, alright.
Somebody?
So, let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's not empty. Just dance. Oh, it's open? I don't think so. They have it here, if anything. Yeah. Get a bag of leaf. Or an actual leaf. It smells like a hospital. Does not gusto. Look at all the leaves. Crazy. So, where'd all the pretzels go? They took my baby.
They have, like, sometimes fresh pizzas over here.
Oh, that's cool. Fresh pizza? Like pizza you have to bake?
Some cuts would be nice.
They have like pizza you have to bake? Like the...
You have to bake it yourself.
Or... Oh, yeah. I thought it was the ones that you just threw in the microwave. Pomegranates. Artichoke. How much are the artichokes? Oh, 5 for $5. That's not bad. Usually they're like $2.99. Grab and go pizza. That's so cool. It's a shame it doesn't say what kind of pizza it is, though. Bella Mama.
Regular cheese. What's this one? Sausage?
Walnuts. Oh, my friend's name is Mariani. That's so cool. Just saying, I'm not doing this just to get like, oh, come to Price Chopper, it's cool. I'm just saying it because I'm just making the video because, you know, it's pretty fun. Gotta see the insanity that's going on here.
Yeah, I think it's pepperoni.
Got like, what do you call those? Breadsticks? They don't look like breadsticks. Not at all. I can make breadsticks on my own. That is so cool. I need one of those. Well, that's not a real pizza, of course. Imagine it was and I just went... Ew, gross. How much are they?
Yeah, grab this right.
How much are they?
$10 each.
It's not bad. I mean, yeah.
Let's get some soda.
Oh my god, sir. Oh, pizza, don't bend. I love you, pizza. It's called a take and bake, bake and take.
Let me tell Rob to get a... Do you have, service?
Yeah, what?
Call Rob and tell him to bring a card in.
Okay. Where is he? He's outside?